Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the 1 hour chart for the intraday as we used to have on this channel, and on the 15-minute chart as well, to see what happened for Bitcoin, what it might happen of course in the next few hours. So in the morning we saw of course this move toward the upside. We analyzed it, and of course yesterday night with the daily close we said of course be careful, we still have a potential of bullish to be tested. And here we go, we tested and it worked perfectly. Now we have an impulse toward the upside, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, potentially finished, right? We're gonna estimate this on the 15-minute chart to see. So we have a 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, very nice wave 3, very nice wave 4, 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for wave 5, meaning we just finished right now in the top. Now what is next? Of course we are looking right now to a wave 1 2 3 4 and a 5. As you know, we have already estimated this in the morning. Let me just put this count exactly in the white, and we're looking right now for a wave 3, which it should hit of course this area. So let us yes, this is our wave 1 already here. Here we go. So basically I'm gonna remove right now the wave C here. It start to get very low. We're gonna keep this potentially as a wave 4, but basically this is what we are looking for it now. This is the main wave 3, guys. The main wave 3, meaning we are right now in 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 toward the upside. Yeah, so basically we're gonna finish right now this wave 3 4 and a 5 is gonna finish this wave. You know what, let's put it in yellow to see it much clearer. Here we go. So what to expect right now, a little bit of drops toward the downside for a wave 2, and then of course moving towards higher. Much more insights here that we can have is KGT. A very nice indication for KGT. So as you can see, we have the bullish signal. We're moving very high while the CVD lines moving sideways. How much beautiful is that? Is creating a very nice divergence, right, between the price action and the CVD line. Now with the wave 2, when we got ABC, this line is going to move toward the downside, taking the low as CVD line, creating a bigger divergence. Yeah, very nice. I mentioned this of course on Discord today in the updates. So we have of course this scenario. Yeah, in the morning I already said, okay, we're gonna move with CVD line toward the downside, getting the signal again as divergence, wave 2, and moving toward the upside. And this is exactly what is going on right now. Of course, we're gonna see what's when we gonna finish, of course, this wave 5, but potentially very finished. Potentially you get a wave 2 very shallow, guys. Be careful, because now, as you can see, we are in the wave 3 of a wave 3. Yeah, don't forget that a wave 2 can be very shallow. It can be the 0.38, and sometimes for Bitcoin it can be the 0.23. So be careful from it. Okay, so be careful. We might of course hit a little bit lower than 0.23 without reaching the 0.38, and continuation toward the upside. So those are the insights for Bitcoin. Today is a bullish Friday. Very nice before the weekend. I like bullish Fridays, by the way. And we're moving, of course, potentially for higher, for a bigger wave B, meaning on the 1 hour chart to remember where are we heading and what to expect. So what we are expecting in a bigger view a little bit here, we have a big formation of WXNY for a wave A here, as you can see, meaning this is one wave A. We are looking for a wave B in an expanding flat. So wave B might reach even higher, because you know this impulse right now is of course 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5, still of course looking for a higher wave 5. We might test the 100k again potentially, guys. However, taking the 95k is of course more than enough to say that this wave B is done and ready for continuation for a massive drop, again, of course, for a wave C. Because in a bigger view, we are in an ABC, big ABC, as we explained here for the wave A, and we have a bigger expanding flat for a wave B, and potentially 5 impulsive waves toward the downside for a big wave C here. Yeah? So the wave C might be, of course, in this case scenario, your 1-to-1 fib level at 65K. So as this blue box still, of course, valid until now, and we might, of course, still get a wave C here. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.